Next week begins with a gauge of consumer confidence for September on Tuesday. Consumer confidence fell in August from a 6-year high as interest rates climbed. August's reading of 82.1 did manage to beat economists' expectations for a final read of 80.5. Earnings season will pick up as well. CarMax will release its quarterly results before the bell, followed by Carnival Cruise Lines. After a slew of highly publicized accidents and onboard sicknesses, Carnival cut its profit forecast for the year in May and acknowledged it was slashing prices to lure in travelers. Now the cruise line is even offering a 110% money-back offer to customers unhappy with their experience. Traders will look to see if any improvement has been made in the embattled company's bottom line. Lennar and KB Homes will report on Tuesday as well. After Homebuilders got a boost following the Federal Reserve's decision not to taper its bond buying program, many will look to their earnings for a better picture of the state of the U.S. housing recovery. On Wednesday, we'll get the report on durable orders for August after orders for long-lasting manufactured goods fell sharply in July on lower demand for aircraft and weak business spending. As the housing market recovers, traders will look to Bed Bath & Beyond's results on Wednesday to gauge the rise in consumer spending on their homes. The home goods retailer has seen 4 straight quarters of double-digit sales gains. Can the growth continue? On Thursday, the third revision for the second quarter's gross domestic product report will be released. U.S. GDP grew at a 2.5% annual rate in the April to June period, according to the last revised estimates by the Commerce Department. That's more than double the growth rate in the 3 months before. After the close, look for Nike's earnings, only 3 days after it's added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average of America's top 30 companies. On Friday, BlackBerry will report its earnings before the bell, and traders will look for more insight on the state of the company. While its future remains uncertain after recently saying it was weighing options that included a potential sale of the company, BlackBerry has unveiled its new top-of-the-line smartphone, the Z30, in its latest comeback attempt, which some say will have a tough time when up against Apple's new iPhones and Samsung's Galaxy S4. Lastly, athletic footwear and apparel retailer Finish Line will release its latest results on Friday, shortly after getting an upgrade to neutral from underweight at Piper Jaffray, based on a more favorable outlook for its initiative with Macy's. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for Thestreet.